In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs for real-time transcription, a super handy way to turn audio or video into text with almost no effort. This is a fantastic tool whether you're working with meeting notes, a podcast, or a lecture, and it'll save you loads of time. So let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to open Google Docs. Simply head over to the Google Docs website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Now, if you don't have a Google account yet, don't worry. Signing up is quick and easy, and it's free, which is always a plus. Once you're logged in, go ahead and create a new blank document. This is where the transcription magic is going to happen. With your new document open, look towards the menu at the top of the page. You'll want to click on the Tools menu and then find the voice typing option within that menu. Once you click on voice typing, you'll notice a small microphone icon appearing on the left side of your document. That's your gateway to real-time transcription, and it's as simple as clicking it to activate your computer's microphone. Now comes the fun part. Play your audio or video and make sure it's within earshot of your microphone. You'll start to see Google Docs transcribing it right in front of your eyes in real time. It's like having your own personal transcriber, and the best part is it's absolutely free. Just let it work its magic as it turns spoken words into text. Once you've finished transcribing, you'll want to stop the transcription process. To do that, simply click once more on the microphone icon. This will deactivate the mic, signaling Google Docs to pause the transcription. I've got a pro tip for you to improve transcription accuracy, especially in noisy environments, or if the audio quality is less than perfect, consider using headphones. Another nifty trick is enabling your computer's stereo mix or loopback setting if it supports it. This way, the audio feeds directly into Google Docs, minimizing background noise. And there you have it. You now know how to quickly and efficiently transcribe anything using Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more time-saving tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.